she inside. When she come there that they talk, say she should open keys. I no get problem. You dey bab me. The girl, she get right to come talk in mind. Facebook, as she dey create in Facebook, you dey create your Facebook, me I dey create my Facebook. You know they there. Me too, I know they there. So anything you go post for your wall, it be your own walla. You dey bab me. I no get right to come tell you what to talk or what not to talk. Only foolish people, fools, where they do that? If you come somebody in word, they tell her what to talk. You know be you creating Facebook give them. If what they talk, you know they like, you go feel go away. You know be by force say, make you comment. All these artists, Stonebwoy, and this Satawale, and this Sako, they don't be your mother in Peking. They don't know you safe. They give you food safe. So, Sianya what Jimmy Dodo. You dey bab me. If somebody they talk something for in wall where you know they like, you go move on. Even most of you people say, if you dey work for Facebook, you know there's somebody in friends list inside. But he post something. I don't know how you put they find people that my word that you can't comment. It be your matter. You dey bab me. She get right to come talk, open keys, then things. But me where I get problem like that, Aisha no. I should insult Black City, Kwasia. No, Aisha, you be woman. You demand me, Aisha, you be woman. If you go can't talk here, go fit can't open keys, talk your mind and thing. But to the extent say you go insult Black City, Kwasia say don't insult man Kwasia, you be woman. Black City they there no. Despite the music, then do everything. Black City be man no. Aisha, you I not sure say self say. I not sure say better man self do your body. You go do if you be Rasta way Aisha you get for your hair. Or what? Where you go wear some nails. Where you come there you they talk. And Black City, we manager for Ghana. You see, after you Aisha you talk for your talking side, so say you say sometimes no. Nyansaka cry, you no get. You they talk say Ajikot or something, you did Ghana, you did the industry charge, Ajikot they buy you food. So all you're talking or people buy you food before. You can't do that, you give Black City $800. You do this. But for your video inside, they talk say you dey Ghana Ajikot or somebody they buy you food. So you too, somebody do you good before. Where $800 where you give Black City. Aisha, me, I know the one can't talk your matter. We know what to do for young kid there. You go where you come there the way they talk and make Black City can't talk. Hey Aisha, be careful. Chona ma nakagbabuma. Chona ma nakagbabuma. Moko Tupac say shut the fuck up before he gets smacked the fuck up. If Black City take go come open keys, Stonebwoy in marriage self go spoil. Before you go come talk, sit down and think. 20 something years where they walk. If Black City say go come sit down, talk everything where then start. The ashawos where then go chop. Before this Stonebwoy in wife self go born the second pikin. Now she won't leave Stonebwoy. Matter de. You put the talk say exclude that say well my network, what network do? My network they fuck up. If my network they fuck up, tell me my network they fuck up. Make I go downstairs. What my network do? I just say somebody say my network. What my network do? Make I open small key, make I go sleep. You know, be matter plenty with they can't talk. This one be small key they can't open. What my network do? Okay now. Somebody they complain my network. You be okay now. You Aisha, you dey there, you dey talk. You can't sit down, they talk. If Stonebwoy go, if how did they call him? Just there now, my guy. Right, they cook. What do we put for that? Maybe oatmeal. Make I tell you something. If Stonebwoy say you go, Black City say you go talk, you go open keys. Make I tell you something. If Black City say you go open keys, Stonebwoy no go fit sit down. If Black City say you go open keys, Stonebwoy he no go fit sit down. You know for sit down, you Aisha you can't dey there they talk. Black City they collect money. Black City you can't call this Kwesi Slay money. Kwesi Slay money. Go ask Stonebwoy where the money dey. Stonebwoy, you dey see, I mean, no be better guy, you. I go tell you something. Stonebwoy, he dey there, no. It be like that rat, where they call him queen. You go to they go blow. Stonebwoy, you know this way you do. If you people there say Kevin Boy no dey respect, you dey talk Kevin girl, Kevin Boy no dey respect. Who make Kevin Boy no dey respect? You must for ask yourself that. It be Stonebwoy wey make Kevin Boy what they do. You dey bab me. It be Stonebwoy where they make Kevin Boy they do what they do. So cause Kevin Boy no go feel wake up, do what they do. If Stonebwoy no make Kevin Boy who he be. Matter dey o. It be Samini way no they like the talk. Like if Samini go open kiss. You see say the matter they happy. You ever see say anytime Stonebwoy get matter, Samini they call they settle. So cause you know who Stonebwoy be. Stonebwoy is a fucking ungrateful. I no go lie you. Stonebwoy, he be fucking ungrateful. Where you Aisha, you there for a video say we manager for Ghana we get 4 plot. Aisha pan you two we can't talk you can't talk. I wake up from sleep, we make account they do video give you. Aisha, you see that say we manager for Ghana where he get 4 plot. Black City can't follow Stonebwoy and you won't make it 10 bulu for there, you no get anything. Aisha, sometimes you know we say you come yonky or something. If you dey talk, you must forget sense. Say we manager where he get 4 plot. Or like you want make Black City work for there, you no get anything. If it's so you want talk. The money where you say them go buy, you say you bring OV or OV can't give Black City. So make them can't do, see something, make them can't do analysis or akunta or whatever give you. You bring the OV girl can't give Black City, you know. You then Black City sign paper say anything OV go do, you want for do this. You bring the girl where you can't leave the girl. Give Black City. Where Black City, you did say Black City sign Kevin Boy to Kevin Boy and OV to Kevin CD label or whatever. Where you did there, you talk say then call meeting where Black City they ask say who be the president of Beam Nation. You see, you Aisha the talking you can't talk. Sensible people go see say Stonebwoy he fool. Now me I get Darlington Nation. Where I give you Darlington Nation, say make you manage Darlington Nation, give me. You be manager for Darlington Nation. Where them bring artists, where you sign the artist to Darlington Nation. Any paperwork they go do, me, Darlington, I'm for see the paper, see say everything where they do is under Darlington Nation. So then time where Black City sign Kevin Boy the OV, you know, you Stonebwoy say you go school, you get sense. So you know watch the paperwork. So long time you know say that boys then sent to Black City. Ghost, respect kanka kaji. Ka respect kanka. Na fad maka. Kaka do kika kama wada suna zagi na ke kasani. Respect kanka so sekwa. Kaka kao kanka. Shinke so chuk maka. Ka respect kanka very very well. Okay na san ka kasani. Ka respect kanka so seni ba sara kabani. You dey bab me. Before you go come do this thing. Any artist they go sign, you be the president. They want for bring the paper to you. Master, there's nothing called trust for here. It be sensible. Anything where you go do, the end of the day, the paper go can't end up for the president in face. There's nothing called trust. It be simple logic. So if I get company where I trust you, I tell you the manager of the company, at the end of the month or something, you know, come put the document, make I see how the company they go. I don't go see the company document. Master, you people they talk sometimes like Muyon Kola. You people they talk like these small boys. Anything where you do, I'll be the president. Any paperwork where you go do, it go end up for my face. I go see how the company go. At the end of the day, how the money where we get, how we they move, the improvement of the company. There's nothing called trust for here. It be stupidity. Now where you know say they no sign the artist to your name. Now where you know say they no sign the artist to your name. Make I tell you, Aisha they talk for the video inside say Kevin Boy they chop people them my money, they chop people them my wife. Hey, you see the girl where Stonebwoy take come do some song with some woman where she from Yonki, no. I don't want to tell you something. Some woman where she from Yankee. You put the talk, they say Kevin Boy be ungrateful. Go ask her, Stone Boy say, who be Mr. Carl? If you want to see ungrateful, that be Stone Boy. Go ask Stone Boy, say, who is Mr. Carl? If you people know who Mr. Carl be, there you go see, say, the most ungrateful person for this earth be Stone Boy. If you know who Mr. Carl, if Stone Boy say he never be ungrateful before, make he can't tell Ghanaians who be Mr. Carl. If you tell me who Mr. Carl be, there you go see, say, Stone Boy, he be the definition of ungrateful. Ungrateful, he be Stone Boy. He never, see, Stone Boy, he did that, he go do bad. Then he go come there like he be good guy, be good guy. You dey bad me. So that be what the things where they there. So the matter where he did the way they talk plenty, all the fight be say, Stone Boy go do some plus some woman, be the woman they Yankee. Stone Boy they chop the woman on the low. Where the woman they give her money. That woman, you people know him. I forget the song where the Stone Boy go do. Stone Boy they chop the woman on the low. That be the thing where he did there. Somebody did say that be the we be Jimmy. There's nothing called trust here. That's why you follow they move forward. You believe MPP and NDC, you give them trust. I come with you. You say you get trust. Cause see, you get trust past white man. White man self get trust past you. Himself another day go do calculation, give them. If you don't know Mr. Carl, go ask Mr. Carl. Stone Boy be fucking ungrateful. The reason why Stone Boy this guy they fight. You see the fight or in a Kevin Boy they fight. Stone Boy they chop the woman. So woman where he don't do some white, some light skinned woman be he don't do some where they chop the woman on the low. The woman get money. Where the woman they give her money. You Aisha, if you don't know, make I tell you. Stone Boy they chop the woman. Where the woman can't fall give Kevin Boy. Where Kevin Boy go chop the woman too. Where the woman they help Kevin Boy they shoot in videos then things. Where Stone Boy verse. That be the secret way they the way Stone Boy they verse that boy Kevin Boy. Stone Boy they chop the woman, they collect small for the woman in hand. The woman they there. We go fit put the woman for them she can talk. Stone Boy they chop up, even though he marry you, he they chop the woman on the low. Where the woman they give her money. So as Kevin Boy go, the woman can't fall give Kevin Boy. Where Kevin Boy go chop the woman, where Stone Boy find out where he bought. That be all where the style. So the Aisha girl where she did that, she they talk say Stone Boy they chop, Stone Boy they Kevin Boy they chop married woman. That be the woman they talk of. That be the woman where you the Aisha girl can they see that say and a Kevin Boy they chop woman they collect a married woman. That be the woman. Stone Boy where they chop the woman where the woman they pay him for Yankee year. Stone Boy where they chop the woman, he marry you, he they chop the woman. Stone Boy he they come show every show Stone Boy come he marry, he they chop woman. His wife won't leave him. Hey madam, make you not make Black City can't talk. Oh. If Black City can't talk. Matters Day, I know they want talk. This one, I know they want talk. Matters Day, we get secret, we get keys for there. We know they want open. You Aisha, you get more if you talk. Are they Beam Nation? He do beat that K. See what you go see beat that K in situation today. Beat that K. Go see. Then you for video side, if Black City they go collect visa, you know tell Stone Boy. You Ghanaians artists, they are not understand. If somebody they go collect visa, you know tell you be problem. So if somebody go collect visa, I show you the top for the video. And Black City they go collect visa, you know they want tell Stone Boy. So what? This one to be matter. Me and you they where they go collect visa. I not tell you. So visa collecting too, it be something. Last month, go ask your Stonebwoy what happened between him and Payday. Hey, matter day o. Who be sell out? Stonebwoy be sell out past everybody. Go ask Stonebwoy. Say last month, what happened between him and Payday? If you can't sit down, the matters you dey talk for artists, you do anywhere you go make they go record that, we go show you. Stonebwoy be sell out rough. So you the Aisha girl where you can't date the way they talk, make Black City can't talk. Madam, we know the thing where they do. Oh. We know the thing how you they get your money. You Aisha, you they talk where they sort Black City because if Black City be your boyfriend or it be your man, you don't go like. Then work to you Stonebwoy. If you be lawyer, if you the cause be lawyer, you the Black City, you work 20-something years. You go make this Aisha girl. When this Aisha girl come, where she go come there, they insult Black City. If you know good, you know good self. 20-something years you don't work. Where they talk say in a Shatawale fight, if you know be say them, then some of the boys push Amanka. Like Black City no go fight. 20-something years where they work, no. If you can say be small, if they can come talk secret upon secret, if Black City say go throw secret, where you Aisha you they there and make it come talk. Stonebwoy no go get career. People where he betray. If they want definition of a snitch, that be Stonebwoy. If they want definition of a snitch, that be Stonebwoy. That be Stonebwoy. Make I tell you something. You see Stonebwoy, he did there. That awards where they win the Ghana Music Awards, the things. We know how they win now. We know how they win all that thing. I no cancer, they can't talk plenty. No, you know me say Aisha be attention seeker self. She get right to come talk. You dey bab me, yeah. The Aisha girl she go come talk. Me be woman, me I know the one insult them. But to the extent say go call Black City kwasia. No, Aisha, I no go insult you be woman. So if I go insult you, your teeth self you no good like my teeth for here, basa for my mouth. You dey bab me. You go feel can't talk. Aisha, you go feel can't talk your mind. But to the extent say go call Behema kwasia, and a kwasia be say kwasia say, and I do this. Aisha, how much be $800? Yeah? How much be it? You yourself for a video inside you say I code people they buy food give you. Master, we what people give you money. Me I day young here. I get boy. I get friend way me down all day abroad. You know himself. You they do good secret. He give me $1,000. We all day young here. He give me $1,000. Even though we day young people they will then get money pass with they fit send you. We get boys for Ghana they give you money. You know be more. We be day young. We get boys for Ghana where they get money. They give you money. You dey bab me? No, me another one talk. Another one talk matter between Oman Sterling and this thing. It be something I they give. I be Stonebwoy people that they watch. You dey bab? Stonebwoy and people that they watch. So they go know who be sell out. Where you dey there, you dey talk say make Black City can't talk. If Stonebwoy be man, make he can't talk fair. If Stonebwoy no talk, how Black City go talk? If Stonebwoy no talk, Black City no go fit can't talk. If Stonebwoy be man, make he go sit down, then talk. The job where the British way them go beat Calvin boy, Stonebwoy can't do. They say that they sue the boy. We can't sue you. He call your name. Shatawale they bully you for years. Shatawale they beat you for years. It be we will the fight give you. If you guys say God he be Alanta, God they doing things pepe. So anybody where you Aisha if they can't talk well. Talk well, the more we will see how what they go on. You know be plenty talking me and they can't talk. That be what me I want can tell you people. The Calvin boy in matter plus Stonebwoy. They chop one woman. The married woman where Aisha they talk where Stonebwoy push am no. He don't do song. Go see the light skinned woman. Another one play the song. Stonebwoy they chop the woman on the low. Even though he is married. He they chop the woman on the low. Where the woman can see Calvin boy. Calvin boy he fight past Stonebwoy. Where in some way in swag day. You Stonebwoy where you dey here. You The Aisha girl where she come there that she dey talk. If you dey go Yonki, the Aisha girl in her dress, where they do, boys they chop sakawa clothes. Here boys chop sakawa, then do sakawa shadow, then things they go give. Where you go Yonki, where you go logo, the things come. You stone boy, you go take the things. You say you be lawyer. Your boy saw anybody will follow you. Me, I don't want to talk plenty. You be lawyer. Show we Mr. Carl. Make you can't tell us who Mr. Carl be. You be fucking ungrateful. But people don't know you. They act innocent. People, they believe you. So you do what they push people, make them can't talk. You know can't talk. People talk, say, oh, Stone Boy be good guy. You be evil past. The voodoos, the things some way they do, or we know all. Boys do Sakawa give you Stone Boy, you come America, you can't logo the Sakawa things. Say they take come Ghana. You come Ghana, you know bring the Sakawa, you bring the things where you tell the boys say you reach airport, then say the shadows way they hold it be plenty. So then come out some throwaway. So you can't tell boys so Stone Boy. Your boys do Sakawa for you for the Aisha girl in your dress. Where you go collect. The Aisha girl, we know what should they do for Yonki. We know everything. No be talk, we go talk. You go collect the things, take come Ghana. You say you reach airport, your shadows plenty, so then throw away some of the shadows. Well, later when you can't wear the shadows, they take the do video. You go feel buy, you get money to buy something. Yeah? You Stone Boy, you get money to buy shadows. You get money to buy shadows. All the shadows where they do, if they come Yonki then things, you they collect address. Your boys, they do Sakawa, they go there. We get the boys, so then call me today, then verse rough. The boys call me today, then verse rough. If you guys say them fool, the boys, they don't know the shopping where they do. Where you go collect the things. The Aisha girl, I no go blame them. She don't know what they go on. So she, then pollute them. But with matter of time, everywhere where you go spoil people, show people. You Stone Boy, that be what you do. And you makode akuko kaza. Who did you now do one chuchi form? Your wife, she don't know what you do. All the strippers where you go where you chop where they record the video for your phone. They can't they show boys. Then go show your wife. I be your wife. She won't leave you before she preg. You they see the wife they come fire the house. Oh, you know women Stone Boy they chop. Anywhere you go they chop women. He come Canada here we give him toto. He go America we give him toto. Any country where they chop. If you do, we go invite some of the women to make them can't talk. So you where you did the way they see Stone Boy like some innocent. Huh? Aisha, if you they can't talk, you get problem plus Black City. Can't open keys. Don't insult them say be kwasia or you bury my on your kwasia. If the man the fight, that what we understand. If you be man like this, where we dey insult man, fine. But you woman, where you go open your mouth say, he be kwasia, he be this. Hey, madam, respect yourself. The beauty self, you don't get some like me. Your teeth self, you be basa. If you be dreadlocks, where you get to be what, where you wear some nails, then me self, I don't know self. Who they lie you then? If you do video, then if you be rasta, what you do, then you go brush your hair this way, then you go do this thing. Then like you switch obi. The Aisha, they do some things. Hey, yourself where they see for the camera inside, they make you like you be beautiful girl, eh? Yeah, Aisha. Yourself where they see for the camera inside, they make you like you be beautiful, eh? Anybody will go push you be woman, mamile. Don't play. The street, he make hot too. The street, he make hot rough. Some people we did we be dirty already. We be dirty on our body where we dey work. So if you come, you dey come do video. Come do video. We no get problem. You be your Facebook. Come open keys. We dey like. Hey, we dey like Kwasiasem. You dey understand? My sister, we dey like Kwasiasem. What Kwasiasem dey? We dey like Kwasiasem. But actually, remember Yabema say, oh no, you're Kwasia and a Kwasia. No, Black City be man, no. If you get boyfriend where they stand TikTok strong like Black City, you yourself, you go like him. You see Black City? Me, Black City said, me, I know they like that guy. Black City. Me, I don't get problem with him. I know they like him. The time where Stone Boy, Rashid Meta releasing song Bafira. Rashid Meta, that time he come out. He get Zafi, he get big empire. Zafi empire, Rashid Meta release Bafira. Bafira the trend, they go. Stonebwoy, you hear the song. You take the song. Go take your another foolish brother, Sarkodie. You take your another foolish brother, Sarkodie. Go do Bafira. You do Bafira if you be better person. You Stonebwoy, you must forgive Rashid Meta. Some shout out, but you don't give him. The thing before Rashid Meta, everybody know Rashid Meta release some Bafira. You go take, you do Bafira, either your foolish brother Sarkodie, you do Bafira. Rashid Meta, they can't talk. You did the way they talk. You did the way they talk. Plenty talk. Where you can't did there, they do something. I call Stonebwoy and Black City for phone talk. Tell us, Stonebwoy and Black City. Where I call Black City where pig. Why say I want to talk to Stonebwoy? Where so Stonebwoy no they want tell us say, no be Stonebwoy where they talk for them. What be the matter? What the Black City say? Rashid Metal. It be boy way he get talent way to do this. Yes, he get problem plus you people. We are all human. So Rashid Meta, he make something regret. So make people forgive him, make him move forward. Then Black City say, oh, we the Rashid Meta no get problem. I say yes. But Stonebwoy still Rashid Meta in song. Rashid Meta no get temper. Satawale push Rashid Meta. Rashid Meta can't install Stonebwoy. Yeah, it be part of music. You know, you yourself, you don't get good leader will go lead you. You go follow your temper. Go do something. But if people be cooler, in the eyes of the people, no, they no say Stonebwoy the Rashid Meta. They not be cool. So make Stonebwoy just put for him Facebook. So oh, Rashid Meta be my brother. So we do the one make the youth eat. What you go come up for Black City move? Hey, we don't get problem plus Rashid Metal. We don't go do anything. Ask Black City how we end up for phone talk. In mother way I chop. In mother way I chop. In mother way I chop. I installed Black City for the phone talk. Basa. Ask them. I installed them rough for the phone talk. Somebody they talk say somebody go fit take care of my family. Hey, make I tell you something. You see that artist way they follow, they never go fit take care of me oneself. So if they no get money, me I they tell you today. Nothing they get, them more than be beggars. If they come Yonki here, they beg you for shoes. Go ask them. You know be anything we go talk. Cause see for the governor they can't show what we they do. So you can say we did that with the hunger. So they go fit take care of me. Oh mommy chem. Abua, okay, say me did it 2x4. If you guys are the chop 2x4, your artists they not get money. You, make I tell you something. If be begging, they beg. I won't tell you today. Your artists do not get anything. You know the way they talk say, they go fee, eh? Jimmy. You see, so your life no they move forward. Say somebody is far gone. Who is far gone? He dey heaven. He dey work for ground. Stonebwoy, if you get money, make I tell you something. He get money. The Suzuki way he buy give beat that K. He then beat that K get problem, he go take that Suzuki in father they drive. Abua. If he get money, Suzuki, go check the Suzuki way Stonebwoy and father they drive, the number plate. Nakpo, I see you. If you say you get money, you there, you a Jim, you not get money. You or some your family say be poor. Your family say you want to go chop. Say your mother, your father no make rich before. You know from rich family, you be poor boy. Your father no get money before, so you say you no get money. Maybe $10,000 Papa B you no see before. If Stonebwoy say get money, car way buy give big that K. That Suzuki, where you get problem plus be the K. The car spoil, you go tow the car. That be the car in father they drive. Abua, he get money, you go feed me. If feed the father finish. You there, they talk. Hey, yeah, come in the oh. Moi, say we there Facebook, nous quoi, si amuka say moi bi keke. Muka say moi bi keke. Mon fi, ton toliwa. Ko ye research na show. I come in the oh. Ye Facebook na ye buy no. Enye baby ID ye property enye ma ba betu. Mon fin tontoli. Or if you guys say, my family go sell cocoa land, or then go sell family land, where then bring it for Ghana. Ghana artists. See Jimmy, they watch video, they almost shishanu. If it's Saka, what they do, they come, they collect for year. They don't go feel buy that Balenciaga, them Gucci, no. Boys, they shop, then they go come collect the thing, they don't go take come. I see ya. Suzuki, father, they drive. Go check the number plate. This Stonebwoy get money. Abuwa mu fi bom kan. You dey there, they talk say we no get money. Hey, make I tell you something. Country where we dey, they do buy year pay year. Them way Jimmy money nyansa. Ghana where they where your life no dey go. Where we dey, they do buy year pay year. Buy year then pay year. I go fit go carry a munu chua I dey drive a month. I go dey pay $250. And I own him. See if you guys say car be property, something where in price they reduce every month, you know. More than where Jimmy Mutinam can say be car will be property. Car not be property, yo. Something where you buy from garage, you move on from year to year, you buy car 20,000. If you move on from year to year where mileage comes up, in price reduce. That's what I want to tell you. See, an answer where Jimmy, you don't go feel live on a life. That's what they tell you. Car, it move from year to year, in price come down. You go buy car. Next year the price it come down. You guys say be property. Something where price they go down every month. In price they go down. You go buy car 20,000. You drive a mumu you crazy for most of you people in Ghana. You don't know all this kind of thing. If their car, you don't know what they call them say mileage safe. You don't know what they call them mileage. So if them bring car, you go. You go check the car. Oh, car no 100. There you go buy. Jimmy, that be why you put the buy car for you. Bro, trader after say travel then can't learn sense. Then they sell car like that too. Better check in the mileage in nyama before you go check under. Abua. Now you there self you the wear fake things self. You nyama togo. You say you artist then get money. Tell Stonebwoy say make you can't tell why you don't like Kevin Boy. The marriage woman where they chop where Kevin Boy go chop some. Where you bought Kevin Boy, that be the fight where they there. So where Jimmy and Suyanyansan. So you Aisha, you can't talk. Madam Key there. Problem day. Black City mature, that boy keep quiet. But Stonebwoy try, make you can't sit for radio. Talk everything. Then you go see say, if that in wife way, then Liam say the woman get money. Stonebwoy, the woman will go marry. Then push the woman give him. He can't tell you post story. Then tell him say the woman she get money. That Lisa or Melissa or whatever you go marry. It be money why Stonebwoy go marry that woman. Oh. It be money, it not be love. Oh. And then where you go they chop women. Anywhere you go, it a chop women. You don't know? Anywhere you go, it a chop women. You go marry the woman. If you got some money their house, where you go marry the woman? Asia, Lisa or whatever. You go where you go marry the woman where she say no. The money they expect, the money no come. Where you invest, where you did there. Yeah. Make I tell you something. Make people relax. Then they there. Moment Jimmy. They we are okay for here. Abansro na me funo unfia me team. I dey out inside o. Onye toto me no yo. They there they talk say and a Black City make Black City can talk. Hey, if Black City go talk, your artist or better say brodo, unim brodo. Sankwansuro, so your artist go 10. If they go talk, your artist go 10 Sankwansuro. You Stonebwoy, you go send somebody Aisha. If you be man self, you can talk. When Aisha joined Beam Nation. I don't get problem with Aisha. Aisha get right to talk. She get right to talk. It be a Facebook. It be Facebook. Yes, she go fit talk anything where she dey want. But to the extent say where she go they call Black City Kwasia. They call man Kwasia. If the man can't talk self. More people they Beam Nation where they go can't talk. Why they no can't talk? Yeah? More people they Beam Nation. Samini, he be mature man. I swear to God, if like Samini say go come talk things where they go on, If Samini say go come talk things where they go on, like your Stonebwoy, only God know where your Stonebwoy go stand. Samini, He be mature man, so he make everything slide. I swear. Hey. You Stone Boy, make I open some small key. Stone Boy, here we dey where you tell we say that time Namwa in matter come, then catch Namwa. Stone Boy, then Shatawale. It be them that make Namwa scam Ghanaians. Stone Boy then Shatawale. It be them that make Namwa scam Ghanaians. So you Stone Boy Namwa matter come, you can't open your mouth tell Ghanaians say you the Namwa finish, you the Namwa no get problem, you the Namwa be this, you the Namwa be that. As they release Namwa, when Namwa they go sign artist, you know, I come do. If you got say money there, where you run kuru, you there plus your shege gurugu leg. Yeah? Plus your shege gurugu leg, you go gidi. You go to follow Namwa. You there. Everywhere money day. What happened? Namwa they come sign Samini. You Stone Boy. If be God, then Samini will know you. That cannot be so like by this time you dey roadside, Ashama roadside, you dey do lala surula, you dey beg for coins. You see the boys where they beg, you dey beg some. Eh? You dey there, you dey beg for coins. You dey beg for coins, you dey beg for lala surula, you dey beg. That time we dey get money, go ask your Stone Boy. Go ask Black City. When I face the big Black City, you go Accra Kimbu, they bring them, they come to, they come, they chop some Kanzo, they call them loving you. That time we be cleans for the street. Uma mi chum, saka wanti musumu to mi kasa. The sakawa where we do pass. You know no? That time where they bring your Black City, that time Black City, that time we be king for the street. The Black City come, they chop Kanzo. Here Namwan they go sign Samini. You Stone Boy, you go tell Namwan say Samini in time pass. By who make them see you? If be Samini make them see you, you fucking ungrateful shege gurugu. Yeah, they go sign. Namwan they go sign Samini. That time Samini, you go tell Namwan say Samini in time pass. If I dey lie, can't they tell me say I dey lie? Come tell we say I dey lie. When you did then you dey talk and then they talk, you too they talk. You then Calvin boy they chop the same woman. The woman will be your own. You chop, the boy too chop. By you vex. You chop, the boy too chop the woman. By you vex say why the boy they chop the woman. You did there. You who be evil past you. You know be Samini make them see you. You know be God and Samini. By this time you dey zook you. Your leg where them go put the kneecap. You Stone Boy. Can't tell the people how them fix your leg give you. So if you don't get money to go put that shoulder pad and knee pad where you go put for your shoulder pad take put for your canto inside. Can't tell people. So if you go fee pay for that money. You don't go fee pay. You know, but you know the one can't talk. That secret toy there. As I'm watching the priest go, they know the secret. How them do your leg, your canto give you. When you did there, then they talk. You talk say you tell Ghanaian you go fee pay for that your kneecap. You go fee pay for your kneecap. You wake up, people go talk say you be lawyer. Where lawyer you be? How lawyer you people dey? Babylon sunkwan. You wake up so Babylon. Leave the Calvin boy make it go. So coffee, your Babylon life you can't see that say go take Ghana 40 years to get somebody like you. 40 years to get somebody ungrateful like you, Stone Boy. The Calvin boy, he dey go. If you go chop woman way to you go chop the woman so. Leave the boy make you go. Then you dey that you dey talk. Say this, say that, say this, say that. Hey, madam. Respect yourself, Aisha.
It's Body Beats the Drum King.
Respect yourself.
Bad man operator, not silly. Today you be, not tomorrow you go change. The hustle not be easy, don't slow. Hey, call no like
one row.
Like pen, paper,
Control.
Sit down, my blood,
I dey go.
Fear friends that be the code. Forget your coins, till you block with the show. Your professor sleep in the mode. JJ me Ghana government so they owe. Wait, no campaign after election. I get time before pension. You want borrow car for attention. Chairman, you need some divine intervention. Hey, get matanya sem share. Voice if I'm a sank. You see more change. Bad man go break them. Them say them be loyal.
They say them be loyal, but them fake it.
Say them be loyal.
They say them no shaky.
Say them be loyal. Say them be loyal.
But them fake it.
Say them be loyal.
They say them no shaky.
Every day we dey chill, so we know they see 25 hour day.
We know they see 25 hour day.
Browse all night, see we know they sleep, he be side to the day.
Yo, Gaddafi, I see you.
They online, as you know, say the work you go pay. Work you go pay. If you know they like my team, can they pass, make a pass my way. Make a pass my way. I can't go, I can't. Penny moko for, moko go in a day. Go in a day. You won't confirm, give a God. They never put you in your papa. Your mama dey house, she dey suffer. You dey town with girls, you dey spread like butter. You say you be loyal, say you be loyal. Them say them be loyal, say them be loyal.
Them fake it.
Say them be loyal. Say them be loyal. Say them be loyal. Say them be loyal.
May I finish my talk, oh?
Say them be
So
loyal.
listen to the song. This is the beat. No shake. May I finish at the go.
Also not be easy, don't slow. Hey, call no lighter, one row. Light take pen, paper, control. Sit down, my blood with the hot, I dey go. Fear friends, that be the code. Forget your coins, we block with the show. Your professor sleep, be the move. JJ me Ghana government of the O. Wait, no campaign after election.
Yeah, poorer than I dey go.
You want borrow car for attention. Chairman, you need some divine intervention. Hey, get matanya sem share. Voice if I'm a sank.
You did the way they talk, say Stonebwoy get money. Ask Stonebwoy. In brother, they play ball for Ashama. Stonebwoy in brother, if they play ball better for Ashama. Ask them, say, what happened, you know, if you go Atletico Madrid, them academy. Eh? Stonebwoy in brother, if they watch me right now. Ask them, he get contract for Atletico Madrid. Why you know if you go? Stonebwoy no fit pay. Stonebwoy wey dey the woman me try, they talk, say Stonebwoy get money. In brother, they play ball for Ashama. Everybody know him brother. In brother, if they play ball rough, if they play ball and kasa, if they Ashama, he get contract for Atletico Madrid Academy. They say make Stonebwoy can pay. You know if he pay. Yeah, master, Matters Day, we dey go. Stonebwoy, if be man, come out and talk, make Black City talk. But if you go, they push some women, they push people. You go hear what you know they hear. Secret day, me I know the one open keys. You way they comment plenty. If you guys say before way people comment, I go can they show them a video or them a picture, I go give them hype or no. Then say make a stop. So you go feel insult plenty. I no go read your comment. I no go come post anything about you, give you hype. The hype no nye bio. Who comment in here no you go there. There be who. It is bad. First, I go show your picture, then I go insult you. Yo, let me beg you, I see you. Nah, I no go show again. I know they say they expensive. People they say you people know they make I leave you people. So I leave you people. Master, you no go feel pay, you no get money. Your brother won't move for it. How many people go get Atletico Madrid Academy where they go make them a family good? If it be family property self, they go sell. You get where reason. Where reason you get? I quite for Jimmy free or say you get reason. Where reason you get? And now I know they mention, I don't go give you that hype. What about them? First, no, my people tell me say they love the program. So make I know they make a stop they show people them a picture they so make I leave you people. Yeah, Stonebwoy and brother this Bra Selassie or Selassie. Stonebwoy and brother that he comment to the life. No, ask him. If they play ball like something, then say make you can't pay, make you go. You know if you pay. Hey, you did the way you did it. I don't go post for me. I finish. Then say then be lawyer. They say make I play you last song, make you go. Right. You think concern voucher with the haircut. Your comment don't go do anything. We there here, we are okay. You there, you dey hung. I don't go show your picture again. I pull. If you guys say first way, I go show your picture then I go insult you. No, I don't go do again. Now your picture, you go dey pending. You know pending.